All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. We're going to do a battle box. It's kind of delayed because they had some issues with the knife, but they did a great job informing everyone and letting everybody know what's going on. This is going to be mission 70. We're going to go item by item, and I'm just going to show it to you guys. Obviously, Battlbox sent this to the channel for me to kind of show it to you guys. I get it for free. I don't pay no money. And again, the guy's been sending it here for what I think now has to be over a year or pretty long time. I don't know how long has it been, but it's been pretty long. You got your basic, you have your advanced, your pro, and pro plus. And I'm gonna tell you, make your decision. Look through the videos and all that because at $160 a month, that's a lot of money. Now you're gonna get a knife of the month, and the knife of the month usually is kind of expensive. So you get some value, or you get value out of your money. But again, $160 a month, you can get a motorcycle for that. That's a lot of money. So you make your own decision. Like I said, this month we have this cool knife here, which I'm about to show it to you guys, and we're gonna go item by item. And like I said, you do get a lot of stuff in the Pro Plus. So let me change cameras right here, and let me start doing my thing. Right. So you get this right here, which is a book. It's gonna say exactly what comes in the box, and it's kind of gonna give you like a little introduction, a little description, and things like that. I like this way more than the other one because, tell you the truth, I'm sure you spend more money Battlebox making this, but it kind of gives you like some feedback on what it is, and a little bit of the description. Now, I'm gonna tell you, if this is the first time you watch Battlebox, subscribe to the channel and watch the videos because they do an amazing job making their videos, like really, really good. So again, this is gonna be this. The first thing in the basic box is gonna be this tie down, which is about $10.97, and it's gonna be this right here. So you got this tie down. I mean, you could use it for multiple different applications. Obviously, one thing that I like about things like this is that BattleBox is really good in giving you equipment that you could utilize for like bug out packs and camping packs and safety equipment and things like this. I mean, this is pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool thing. So again, you're gonna have this, and this is gonna cost about $10.97. Now you're gonna have a book next, a book, and I'm gonna tell you, I got strong. Throw that over there. I got strong feelings about a book sometimes because, I mean, a book is cool, but nowadays there's so much information online that you could find a lot of stuff online. But again, it's always nice to have a book. One thing that I will tell you about this book is that it has a lot of pictures. So if you want to read information, this is actually pretty cool. So here's the thing. Page 99. Help a victim recover. Step 1, kneel on the floor on the side of the person. Step 2, place your arm near. Okay, so you got some decent family and not family information. And as you can see right here in the camera, you have different tags, right? The red one is skills. You have family. All right, family stuff. Be aware of eyes. Carry a car. Contact. Keep in contact. Oh wow, this is actually pretty cool. I'm gonna tell you, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna grab this and do some videos out of this book because text your skill, keep a 72-hour supply. Wow, this is pretty decent. This is pretty decent information. So okay, I like this. Stock food and water. Look at this, and they give you some information there. So that's actually pretty decent. I think it would be a good idea to grab this and kind of go through the book and kind of give some thoughts and all that. Emergency survival manual, 294 life-saving skills. All right, so I'll take it back. I thought this book was kind of funny and didn't care too much about it, and now I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put it here to the side. I'm gonna check it out later. That's gonna be about $23. The next thing is gonna be this Gear Aid knife. It's gonna be this right here. All right, so obviously a knife, right? Nothing much to say about this. It's interesting because we got two knives on this box. We have this one and the other one that I'm going to show you at the end. But again, this cool little knife. Draw point, full tank. I mean, nothing too fancy, but you got a couple different things in there as well. So again, this knife is going to be about $29. So And I think that's about it for the box. Actually, there's one more item that I need to find. This right here. I think it's this. All right, so let me see if it gets. Okay, I think this is something to do with quarters. Look at plastic bottle and quarters. All right, I'm not really sure what this is. It's $12.95. I gotta figure it out, right? So again, we got. Well, there's a whole little kit here that I need to figure out what it is. So that's going to be on the basic box as well. All right, so that's about it. That's the basic box right there. Let's go into the advanced box. And I was actually pretty excited about this because this is pretty cool. Give me 1 second. Bam. All right, so check this out. So this case, cases like this are always amazing to utilize. You could put, scopes. Anything you really think about, right? Let me move this out of the way. Switch cameras. All right, so anything that you really think is actually, anything that you find value, it's always good to. There we go. 1 second. I'm almost there. There we go. All right. So anything that you think that is valuable, you can always put it in here. Obviously, you got the Battlbox sticker right here, but some equipment such as, firearms, camera equipment, you name it, you could put it in this. I love cases like this because, sometimes I have cameras and things like that, and it's good to put them here. This case is going to be about $39, which is really not that bad, And again, $39 is actually a pretty decent deal. It's called Concave Empire case. Plug them, the plug is this right here. So, obviously you could plug this and set up whatever system you want. And not bad. Really not bad. I like it for $39. Seems like a good deal to me. So, all right. So that's going to be the Vans box. It's only going to be one item. The next item, we're going to go into the Pro box. And this is going to be a Bushcraft Grill Set. And again, I want to kind of show you here in the camera. Let me make sure you get it. All right. There you go. So you have a grill set right there. And let me see here. All right, so you're going to get the point. I'm going to take it out of here. Bam. We're almost there. And this is what you get right there. Let's see. You can put this thing anywhere. Lordfield, there's a lot of things that come from this company in the Battlbox typically. And you see it right there. Obviously, I'm not going to take it out, but you could use it as a grill. Again, I like the fact that it looks like solid quality. It actually does look like really good quality. I like this cover right here. It looks really nice. And again, you can put it anywhere. Seems like it's really easy to carry. $74. I don't know if $74 seems to me like a lot of money, but then again, there we go. I'm not an expert in this thing, so I couldn't tell you if it's valuable or not. You guys let me know down in the comments section below. So, all right, so let me see the book. This is going to be $74. And then the last thing is going to be the knife of the month. I want you guys to see this knife. It's actually very, very cool, right? So, and this is the reason why we waited for so long. So, let me take this out. It's really... I don't want to use the word fancy, but it's kind of fancy. It is kind of fancy. Look. Nice. Yeah. Obviously, you have this right here, which allows you to attach it to your belt, to a pack, to anything. You could carry this knife really nice, right? And the thing about this knife is that, man, look at this, dude. Wow. Tell me this knife is not gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. This knife is beautiful. Now, here's the thing. You see this right here? That right there. I don't know how I feel about it. So obviously you wrap your finger and you wrap your finger around there, and you see right there. So obviously it's supposed to help you have more control, if you want to put it that way. Like, it's supposed to give you more control. You guys see that right there. So again, it's supposed to, like, you wrap it around and it gives you more control to work and do your thing, right? The problem that I have is I don't think it's sharp. Actually, yeah, it is a little bit sharp, man. Like, I could feel like my nail, like, trying to rip a little piece of the steel in there. So again, as I put it in I feel like, I don't know, it doesn't really feel, I'm not convinced. If you want to put it that way, I'm just not convinced. Like, again, I will have to get like a little sandpaper or something, kind of sand that down a little bit. I feel like there's a couple portion, and I see a little piece of metal right there that I'm kind of like poking out. I feel like it could scratch me or something. But other than that, I mean, what a beautiful knife. I'm going to tell you, I would have taken this knife without this. Just like straight out without that. I'm sure they're trying to make it look different and trying to make it look nicer and all that. I totally get that, but I would have taken without that. I think it's a beautiful knife. And again, it feels really, the ergonomics feels good just from that right there. So, man, what a gorgeous knife. Really, what a gorgeous knife. So, I mean, the way was awesome. I think it was way, I think it's just a gorgeous knife right here. So again, guys, that's going to be mission 40. Let me know mission 40, mission 70. That's going to be mission 70. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.